going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video on the V4R. Oh my god, these wheels, they look crazy. V4R should be completely back to action. Before I say anything, I'm gonna ride it, make sure, like, you know, everything is good, because I feel like every time I ride this bike something else pops up. And there's like kind of always like little random issues and stuff like that. But what we did today is finally fix the clutch. We got the new clutch plates. We replaced the basket as well to a billet basket, so it should be better, last longer, and lighter. And of course, the main event, new tires and those beautiful Protobox wheels. Look at the forged carbon mixed with the 12 carbon. Single-sided swing arm, so like the whole thing just pops. Really transformed the look of the bike. But yeah, let's ride her. Let's see how it feels. The bike needs some gas, but we'll make it. New fresh tires, so I'm gonna take it easy, so you know I can break them in. I'm not gonna lie, I already feel a difference. I said in the last video that I'm not sure if I'll be feeling a difference, because, you know, like, it's 1 pound in the front, because I had the Ford Marchesinis before. A pound in the front and supposedly 2 in the back, so 3 pounds total. I didn't expect to feel much difference, but oh boy, they sure do feel better. Let's put the bike in neutral, see? Ah, butter smooth. That's how it should be. Finally, now when I want to, I can ride this bike. And we're probably going to be taking it to an event sometime soon, you know. I got a few more upgrades that I'm going to be getting for it. I'm going to be deleting those bar and mirrors, because who needs them? I don't know what I just ran over. Bike shifts amazing, it feels butter smooth. I'm so happy to have it back. Alright, just wanted to see my miles so I know when, have expectations to when I need to replace those plates again. That's the downside of the V4R and some of the bikes that have the dry clutch, is that it requires so much maintenance. Ducati says that you need to replace those clutch plates every like 1,500 miles, which is absolutely insane. Oh, those shifts. They feel butter smooth. Neutral right away. I'm happy that it's back, finally fixed. Sorry, I'm not even like talking much. I'm just kind of like excited and happy to have this bike back finally. And it's getting more and more complete. It's almost like never complete, I swear. Every time I'm like, okay, this bike is almost complete, I find more stuff to like do to it. There's always more, man. But yeah, the only thing that is major that I'm missing is the belly. I need that carbon belly, and the bike will be full carbon. I'm wearing the AGV today, the Pista, so excuse me if it's a little too loud in this helmet, considering getting another Pista as a daily, because this one is the like limited edition one, which is just a pretty helmet, you know. I don't want to daily it, but getting another one just because the way those AGVs cut through the wind is so nice. Bike is loud, turning heads, everyone's like staring. Yeah, we did not reset the service light, but we'll do it next time when I do the last few upgrades. Oh yeah, so the belly, and we need some more forged carbon fiber to match the wheels, you know, offset the design. We're gonna get the forged carbon lever guards as well as the forged carbon tail tidy, and then the bike is gonna look more matching. Bro, I can't even imagine. The Ducatis in general get a lot of attention. This bike with a dry clutch, people thinking it's broken gets even more attention, and now with those wheels I feel like everyone is staring. This bike is so loud. I love it though. So yeah, some forged carbon here. We need the regular carbon belly matching the top carbon piece right here, and then the tail tidy and forged carbon.
You can't really see them when they're moving.
Huh?
When they're moving, they just look black.
Yeah, I figured. Yeah, for sure. As soon as I rode it, I was like, whoa. The forged carbon there, forged carbon here, the belly, and that's mainly it.
What else is there to do?
There's always more. But for the most part, that's it. No, because it doesn't come, I can't use this. I can't use this. It's like a one design and that's it. Hmm? No, I like this design way better. The plain one is ugly. It's too plain. It doesn't have, I can't do anything to it. This has the cuts, the design, all that. That one is like just one piece. Alright, I'll pause here and we'll continue when we ride. Alright, we're back. We just did a little shoot in this cool spot right here. The reflection. Whoa, that's a cool wrap. Oh my god, that looks just like my Hellcat. Yeah, sorry that I'm not talking a lot in this video. As I said, it's kind of a random video. There's like no topic. I'm just picking up my bike finally with all the new parts and stuff. I don't know, it's like kind of like cold winter season, and I just feel like so like out of ideas. I'm just like so unmotivated because it gets dark soon and it's like colder, and I'm like you know, even though like we can still ride, like sometimes I'm hyped, but I don't know, most of the times I'm kind of just like in a lazy mood. Well, that was embarrassing. I have like no gas. Alright, Corvette. I know. I don't know if it's just because it's really out of gas, because I barely let go. The light was on before we even left. Let's see how much gas it's gonna take. I don't know if this pump is slow or it's just really empty. Oh, jeez. What the hell? Nice. It's a lot of gas.
Does the bike feel different?
With the wheels? Yeah, for sure. There we go. The bike feels so light. It's crazy to me. Especially with the new wheels. I'm like very worried about doing like higher up wheelies with the wheels. I don't know like if they're supposed to like hold up or not. Gotta be really gentle and smooth on the way down. There you go. I think this is what I needed. I needed less traffic lights, a little more, you know, like freeway fun stuff. And this is my drugs, adrenaline. I'm definitely testing those wheels right from the start. We got so many videos. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you should go follow me. It's the same name as my YouTube channel, so alright, I have a sliver of battery left. I think we're just eating, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.